box has a little bear on it.
Guys, it burned. Hi friends, we are back. It is Sunday afternoon. We are adventuring. We are going to Sanford, which is about 30 minutes from the house.
Yeah, we were just there last week.
Yes, we were just there last week. But you know what? Our options are limited this year, 2020. You know what I'm talking about.
Worst year ever.
I wouldn't. It's not the worst year ever. It's maybe the most challenging year ever. So
It's still the worst year ever.
yeah, we're going off on a tangent right now. So we're gonna go get some ice cream. We're gonna go to the Greenery Creamery. They have a location in downtown Orlando, which is so cute, but they also have a location in Henry's Depot, which is in Sanford. So we're gonna try the Henry's Depot location today.
So we're here in Sanford. It's starting to sprinkle, so I might have to switch the camera to waterproof mode. But kids are with us. OG the OG, James. Angie's up there. Funny story, Angie was getting dressed this morning and she put on black pants and she took one of my shirts. So I thought it'd be funny if I put on black pants and stole one of her shirts for just to mix things up a bit. But we're gonna go get some ice cream and then we are going to wander around. It looks like they got a bunch of booths, like a farmer's market type thing going on
You
up
said
there.
booths, right?
Booths.
I heard booze, like alcohol.
They probably have some of that too. I'm sure that's not what they're featuring though.
Cookie Monster. Okay, what about you, baby doll?
Let me see James.
Look at my hand.
So I think we are about wrapped up with Sanford.
I have slime.
OG the OG.
Then this thing.
So we did the ice cream, we walked around Henry's Depot.
I did not get wine.
Angie did not get wine. Hi guys, we're back. So we got everybody here with us today. OG the OG, James, Angie's back there. We got that pallets you saw us pick up. It's actually a couple days later, but we're just now getting to it. Me and LG the OG.
I have the hardest to pronounce name.
That kid. We're gonna bust up this pallet, and we're gonna make a frame for this mirror, so that it just looks a little bit more our style. James is over here doing some sweet artwork on this pumpkin. Looking sweet, buddy.
I don't even know what it is.
Angie's back there on a top secret project. You guys will have to see that in the next video. But me and LG the OG are gonna get to work, and we will let you know how things come out. Boards cut and burnt up. The burning it gives it a nice finish actually. It's dark outside, so we're gonna finish up tomorrow. We'll see you then. We're almost done burning the wood, getting it all ready, and then we are going to put it on the mirror. Screws were either too long or too short. I have like a large assortment of random screws and nails and whatever, but they were all either too long or too short, so I got like these poking through just a little bit, but I'll grind those down, and I might put a sealer over this, but I think it came out pretty good, way better than what it used to look like, and now it is just more our style. What do you think, LG the OG? What do you think?
I like it, but I would have painted it.
LG the OG says he would have painted it. What fun is that? What's the point of using reclaimed wood if you're gonna paint it?
Because
Angie's back there playing on her phone. Alright, I think we're gonna sign off here. Angie, we're saying goodbye. What do you think?
What do I think about what?
You're supposed to say your catchphrase.
Oh, we have a catchphrase now, but I have to explain it, or they... Did you stop recording it?
No, I did.
Oh, okay. Well, you're pushing buttons. Okay. So whenever we're doing a project, I always say, we're getting there, whether we're tiling a floor or driving across the country. I always just say, we're getting there. It's just kind of something I say without thinking about it.
It's her way of saying, I'm bored, but we're making progress.
Yes, literally that. So, that's our new catchphrase. Tell all your friends.
Tell all your
We're
friends.
gonna do the thing with the hand. Okay, ready? Ready? We're getting there.
You missed. Try again. Try and put your hand palm all the way over it.
We're getting there.
There you go. You did it.